In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Drevepsina on your phone. So Drevepsina is a simple real-time strategy game about impressive large-scale battles. Develop your base, train your army, and destroy your opponents. So in order to download this game, first of all what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open App Store if you're on iOS. Otherwise, if you're using Android, you're going to go ahead and open Play Store. Then you're going to tap on your search box, and then you're going to type on Drevepsina and then search for it. After that, you should be able to see here two versions of this game. The first one is Drevepsina Demo and the second one is Drevepsina Pro. Drevepsina Demo is just a demo version of this game. It allows you to play the game and decide if you want to purchase a paid version. So to download Drevepsina Demo, you're going to tap on that and then just simply tap on Install. After that, you're just going to wait until your demo version has been installed. But in order to download the paid version, you're going to go back and then you're going to tap on Drevepsina Pro. After that, as you can see here, Drevepsina Pro version is not free and you want to purchase that. You will be able to see here the price of Drevepsina Pro in your currency. So you're going to tap on that and then you're going to tap on Add Credit or Debit Card from the lower side of your screen. After that, you're just going to enter here your payment information and then the paid version of this game will be installed into your device.